Hello dear students, in today's video we will continue to solve the first exercise based on chain rule. Okay, there are so many examples. We are taking some of them. So try to understand it. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Okay, let us take an example. Differentiate sine of square root of x. Okay, let's consider y equal to sine of square root of x. Now differentiate y with respect to x, and that is equal to dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to differentiation of sine of square root of x with respect to x. Okay, see here students, this sine is function of square root of sine of square root of x. Okay, that means function until we have to differentiate at the end of function. Now in first step, this sine is function of the square root function. In the second step, the immediate function to sine is square root function. And now we differentiate after this by using square root function. Therefore, multiply, and that is into. Multiply means into differentiation of another function, that is square root of sine of square root of x with respect to x. Okay, means here we have to differentiate according to the square root function. This is the square root function and this is the sine function. Now another function is again in square root there is the sine function, means square root function is a function of sine function, that also we can differentiate. Again differentiate this sine of square root of x with respect to x in this. Now again this sine is again function of square root function, that is the square root of x. Therefore differentiate square root of x with respect to x. In this way we have to differentiate. Now this is equal to, now the differentiation, we know the formula, differentiation of sin x with respect to x equal to cos x. Similarly, differentiation of sine of square root of square root of x is cos of square root of sine of square root x. Means instead of x the total function is there, and therefore differentiation of sine is cos of, that is equal to cos of square root of sine of square root of x. This is a function. Now here differentiation of square root function, that is differentiation of square root of x with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, instead of x here that is the sine root x, and therefore differentiation of root sine of root x is 1 upon 2 root sine of root x. Now differentiation of sine of root x by using differentiation of sine x is cos x, and that is very simple, cos of root x, into differentiation of root x directly by using formula. This is 1 upon 2 root x. These are the terms at numerator and these are the terms at denominator. So collect the terms and we get dy by dx, that is differentiation of given function. The last answer is the terms of numerator, that is cos of square root of sine of square root of x into cos of root x upon the terms at denominator 2 into 2 4 sine of root x into root x. This is dy by dx. Now take the next example. Differentiate e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. Now let y equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. Now differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to differentiation of e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x with respect to x. So here the function is exponential function, where e is the exponential function, and according to differentiation of e raised to x, that is equal to e raised to x. But the x is this much function, x equal to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x, and therefore differentiation of e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x is equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. But this function is again differentiable function. So again take differentiation of this into, therefore this function is differentiable function again. That's why we have to differentiate, and therefore take multiplication with differentiation of 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x with respect to x. This is equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x into. So by using the difference, that is the difference between two functions, by using the differentiation rule, this is equal to, take the differentiation 3 as a constant, differentiation of sine square x with respect to x minus 2 as a constant, differentiation of cos square x with respect to x. Okay. Now this is equal to dy by dx equal to e raised to t sin square x minus 2 cos square x into, so this 3 is a constant, okay, and in this मी ही स्टेप पुन्हा लिहिते म्हणजे तुम्हाला हे फंक्शन क्लिअरली दिसेल. ओके, नाहीतर तुम्हाला लक्षात येणार नाही काय घेतलंय ते. So into differentiation of 3 is a constant. Students, see here. Here we have to differentiate sin square x. Before going to that, see the 2 is the power of sin x, means sin x ची power 2 and therefore we have to differentiate by using power function first, and this power is a function of sin, and therefore first differentiate according to the power function. By power rule means differentiation of x raised to n formula, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore differentiation of these two sin square x is 2 into sin raised to 1x, that is 2 sin x, into differentiation of sin x, because this sin x is again differentiable function, and that's why we have taken out the differentiation again, that is differentiation of sin x, minus 2 as it is. Again similarly, that is the 2 is the power function of cos, and again by using this formula, this is equal to 2 as a constant, 2 into cos x, and differentiation, this cos x is again differentiable function, differentiation of cos x with respect to x. Now this is equal to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 3 into, students, we know the formula, that is the trigonometric formula, that is 2 sin x cos x equal to sin of 2x. We know the trigonometric function formula, so by using this formula we can deduce the answer here. Okay, first 3 into 2 sin x, first we will find out the differentiation of sin x, then we use formula. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus 2 into 2 cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and now we can use the formula, into 3 as it is 2 sin x cos x, this is sin of 2x, and this minus and minus, that becomes plus here, and then 2 sin x into cos x is sin of 2x, and this is equal to dy by dx equal to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 3 plus 2, that is 5 sin of 2x. In this way we have to solve the problems. Okay, by using this method we can solve the number of problems, students, and here so many problems are given, and in question exercise 1.1, in question number 2, so many problems are there, and the problems are not so easy, and that's why you have to understand it. Now students, I am giving you some examples that I will be posting you a PDF which contains some sums as a homework, and try to solve them. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Okay? Let us solve some more examples. Okay? So there are number of problems are given and we will solve some of them. Okay? Let's take an example. Y equal to root of tan of root of x. Okay? So now differentiate this y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. We have to differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to differentiation of root of tan of root of x with respect to dx. By using second method, we will solve these examples now. So to solve this by second method, see here. So we have to differentiate root of tan of root of x. So here, before tan is a function of root x, but again the tan of root x is the function in square root. Tan of root x, this function is in the root. So first, while differentiating, we have to differentiate with respect to, we have to differentiate first by the square root. हे जे बाहेरचं जे स्क्वेअर रूट फंक्शन आहे, that outermost function is the square root function, and that's why first we have to differentiate by using square root property, and therefore this is differentiation of square root of tan of root x with respect to dx, and we have to differentiate this root x function. And now the function inside, that is tan x. This tan x function, now differentiate this tan of root x. Differentiate tan of root x into differentiation of tan of root x with respect to dx, with respect to x. Okay. So in first step, we have differentiate with respect by considering the square root. हे square root चा आपण इथे differentiation घेणार. Okay. Again, the function inside square root is tan function. Immediate function is the tan. And so differentiate tan of root x. Now if we see, tan is a function of root x. Means again this root x is differentiable function, and that's why differentiate root x with respect to x. Okay. And आता सगळे functions तुमचे संपलेले आहेत. Hence dy by dx equal to you know the differentiation of root x with respect to x. The formula is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. But instead of x here, that is tan of root of x, and therefore differentiation of square root of tan of root x is 1 upon 2 square root of tan x, and the differentiation is 1 upon 2 square root of tan of root x. Now this is the differentiation of the root. Now we have to differentiate tan of root x. We know the differentiation of tan is sec square x. Differentiation of tan x with respect to x is sec square x. This is a formula that you know. Instead of x, here is the root x, and therefore differentiation of tan of root x is sec square of root x. Sec square of root x. And differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x in this way. And hence dy by dx equal to sec square of root x upon 2 into 2, at denominator 2 into 2 is 4 into root x, and into remaining term, that is square root of tan of root x. This is the differentiation of given function in this way. Okay, now let us take a next example. Differentiate cot cube log of x cube. Cot cube log of x cube. Let consider y equal to cot cube log of x cube. Now differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx equal to differentiation of cot cube log of x raised to 3, that is x cube, with respect to dx. Now we have to differentiate cot cube log of x cube. Okay, see here, cot is the trigonometric function, that is cot cube is there, and first we have to differentiate this power according to the power. We will differentiate first, that is by using x raised to n formula. First we differentiate cot cube, means first we differentiate the cube. Okay, cot cube, that's why we first differentiate by using the formula x raised to n, means the outermost function where power is 3, the power function we differentiate. Then power function is the function of trigonometric function. See here, cot cube is there, means power is 3, the power function is function of trigonometric function is function of logarithmic function is function of x cube. Okay, and in the same sequence we have to differentiate. Therefore now first we differentiate according to the that is the power function, that is the power 3, and by using the formula differentiation of x raised to n formula, the differentiation is n into x raised to n minus 1. So power is 3 here, means n equal to 3, and that's why the differentiation is 3 into cot square, means n into x raised to n minus 1, means 3 cot raised to 2, n minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, and that is log of x cube into, see, this is the differentiation. Okay, this is the differentiation of power function, and after power function the function is cot x. Therefore let us take into differentiation of cot of log of x raised to 3 with respect to dx. Means now we have find out differentiation of cot, and to the cot the immediate function is log. Then take the differentiation of log function, that is log of x cube with respect to dx. Then inner side of function to log is x raised to 3. Again that is differentiable, that is differentiation of x raised to 3 with respect to. See here student, the example is slightly complicated. So that is function of function 4 times. That means cot raised to 3. That means the power function, it is the power function and it is the power function of the trigonometric function. That's why first we differentiate according to the power rule. Okay, so here we have differentiate, then immediate to power there is the trigonometric, that is the cot function. So here we have differentiate according to the cot function. Then after cot function, immediately cot, after cot there is the logarithmic function. Therefore we have differentiate according to the logarithmic rule. And the logarithmic function is again function of x raised to 3. X raised to 3 is again differentiable function. Again we have differentiate this. Like this we have to differentiate. Okay. So the power function we have differentiate. This is the differentiation of power function. Now you know that the differentiation of cot, we have to differentiate cot. Differentiation of cot x with respect to dx is minus cosec square x. Only instead of x, here is log of x cube. Log of x cube. Therefore, differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Therefore, differentiation of cot of log of x cube is minus cosec square log of x cube. This is differentiation of cot function. Now, differentiation of logarithmic function, that is log, differentiation of log of x with respect to dx is 1 upon x. And here differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x. That's why differentiation of x raised to 3 is 1 upon x raised to 3. Differentiation of log is 1 upon x raised to 3. Now into differentiation of x raised to 3, again by using the same formula, that is the power function. The differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. By using this formula, differentiation of x raised to 3, n equal to 3 here, 3 into x raised to 2, n minus 1 is 2. And hence dy by dx equal to 3 into 3, and the minus sign is there, therefore minus 9 cot square log of x raised to 3, okay, into cosec square log of x raised to 3. Here this x square get cancelled and upon x. This is the dy by dx, that is differentiation of given function is minus 9 cot square log of x raised to 3 cosec square log of x raised to 3. This is the differentiation. Okay. Now the next example. Now take down the next one. Differentiate log of x, log of x whole square. We have to differentiate this. Let y equal to log of x whole square. Okay. So here differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to differentiation of log of log x whole square with respect to x. So students, if you understood the last problem, जर मागचा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला समजला असेल तर हा लगेचच तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की इथं डिफरन्सिएशन ऑफ लॉग एक्स होल स्क्वेअर. मग डिफरन्सिएशन घेताना आधी आपण लॉगचं नाही घेणार, या सगळ्यांची पॉवर 2 आहे. मीन्स सगळ्यात आधी व्हेरी फर्स्ट वी विल डिफरन्शिएट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉवर फंक्शन. बाय युजिंग पॉवर फंक्शन वी विल डिफरन्शिएट. And then the outermost log, then immediate that log. In this way we will differentiate. Okay, so differentiation of log of x whole square. So in very first step we will differentiate according to the power function formula, that is x raised to n. Means पहिल्यांदा आपण ह्या 2चं डिफरन्सिएशन घेणार, पॉवर फंक्शनचं डिफरन्सिएशन घेणार. ओके, आणि ह्या पॉवर फंक्शनचं डिफरन्सिएशन काय घेणार की डिफरन्सिएशन ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. बाय युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला, डिफरन्सिएशन ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, द फॉर्म्युला इज n into x raised to n minus 1. The n is 2 here, and therefore the differentiation will be 2 into log of x. This is differentiation. Now into the outermost function, means immediate to power function, the outermost function is log, and according to this log we will differentiate, that is into differentiation of log x with respect to x. Means here we will differentiate according to this log. Now again immediate to this log, this is the function, into differentiation of log x with respect to x. Means here differentiate with respect to this log. Into, now the last, this log is remaining, into differentiation of log of x with respect to x in this way. So differentiation of log of x with respect to x is 1 upon x. So by using the rule we have to differentiate. Into differentiation of this log of x is 1 upon x, and log of x means this is 1 upon this log of x. Into, now differentiation of this log of x is 1 upon log x, and into differentiation of this log x is 1 upon x. Therefore dy by dx equal to 2 into log x upon, this is the numerator term, and the terms at denominator are x into log of x into log of x into this log of x. In this way we have differentiate. This is the differentiation. Okay, now I will give you some examples, and also I will give you some examples. Try to solve it. If you have any difficulty, then ask me, but compulsory you have to solve, you have to try it. Compulsory. So take down. differentiate following function with respect to x. So first one cosec of root of cos x. Second one log of cos of x raised to 3 minus 5. Third one cos square log of x square plus 7. Fourth one tan of cos of sin x. Fifth one sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Sixth one phi raised to sin raised to phi raised to sin cube x plus 3.